Boss, panoorin niyo po yung balita tungkol kay Mayor David.
Breaking news, up-and-coming Mayor David Kahabagan may ibubulgar daw na anomalya sa pamunuan ng kamay na bato na si Governor Gaspar Meireles.
Mayor, bakit biglaan po kayo nagpatawag ng press conference?
May isang legitimate witness na lumapit sa amin to make a statement. Of course, we'll do our standard procedure to make sure na credible ang witness na to. Malaki kasi binabangga niya, kaya we have to be sure. We will make an announcement once the whistleblower is ready to speak publicly. Sa ngayon, ang priority namin ay ang kanyang safety and security. Thank you.
One more question. How about